Hey guys, morning and welcome back to the channel. So day 2 in Snowdonia and day 3 of our tour of Wales, and we're just stopped at the car park heading to Nan Peris. So we're gonna take the bike track and then go up Crib Goch and reach the summit of Snowdon, and then head back towards the bike track and then join the miners path and then back to the car park. One tip I can give you: always carry spare change with you for parking, because most of the parking machines are not automated. So it's always handy to have spare change and cash with you. So this road bisects the valley, and the view is just amazing. We spotted a few cyclists whizzing down this road. Would be a lovely bike ride here as well. Maybe in the future I might plan one. This is bike track. Starts off with a nice tarmac surface. There is a park and ride at Nan Peris, so you can take the bus from Clanberis, but I'm not sure about the bus timings. But that's another option if you don't want to pay for parking and find parking in Nan Peris. So we've just cleared some of the traffic and we're heading towards Crib Goch. And the peak behind is Snowdon, and we'll be heading back down towards Miners Path, crossing the lake. Beautiful campsite. We've got a long way ahead. So we just made it on top of Crib Goch.
923 meters.
Yeah.
And we're heading just that way.
We're heading towards the ridge.
Snowdon summit is just there.
Yeah. so we need to keep moving. Oh, there's a seagull.
The old seagull is paying us a visit.
So we're on Crib Goch Ridge and it's absolutely scary.
Here we go.
So we're now shortly gonna join up with the miners truck over there. Got a long way to go, but we're making good progress. We've just taken a small deviation from Crib Goch. We just finished Crib Goch, and then as you come towards the flattened bit, we took the left instead of going right on the ridge again. I think it's definitely helped us to make some ground quickly. And there you go. Joined the miner's truck. Lovely. We're back on land very fast. You can see the train tracks behind me. And we should be at the summit. It's a bit crowded. We just made it to top of Snowdon. Right there.
You can call me stupid. Yes, you can call me sheep. You can say I'm lazy. You can say I'm weak. You think that using her would get to me, and if you're right then you're in trouble, D. 'Cause I won't break, no I know I won't wait. You're in trouble, D.
So we just on the summit, heading back down. We didn't manage to get a picture, but there's a huge queue. So it looks like another hour and a half to get down. Descent's probably gonna be easy. Right, made it back to the lake. Ben's gonna film me getting inside the water. Let's see how cold it is. Slippery.
Slippery.
It's cold, mate.
How cold? Colder than yesterday?
No. It's cold now.
Is it?
Yeah,
Like yesterday?
like yesterday, yeah.
Really?
just made it down. This is an old structural building, probably built by the miners, and that's how this path got its name. That's the miner's track. A few more miles to go. So we made it back to Nan Paris. That's where we started. It's been an excellent day in the sunshine, in the mountains. I think we've done about 13 or 14 kilometers so far. To the car park is another 3 kilometers. So it's been a long day out, but it's been a wonderful journey for a trip. We made it down to our car park. It's been a adventurous day out in Snowdonia. Never disappoints. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, so you don't miss out on any of the content, and that will also be a good motivation for me to put out more videos in the future. So it's a 4-hour drive back home. We'll see you guys for the next one. Cheers.